this GlassTrax training video, I'll be covering how to attach or send a DXF file from your sales order to your cutting table. Now this works mainly with our integration with Optima OptiWay, but just to show you, we have a couple ways to do this. The first way is to import the order from a shower building software. In this case, I'll be importing from one of our already integrated programs by coming into the sales order entry screen, selecting my type as order, and then clicking on import from XML, which is the file type that this particular integrated partner works with. And I'm going to come here to where I have my DXFs saved. Here's my test file. I'm going to hit this import button. Now this is popping up and saying, you've already imported this. Basically, you're duplicating this. Are you sure you want to do this? So I'm saying yes, just to show that I can bring it in here. So it loads in. That file contained the customer. It contained the date in which it was supposed to be shipped, the customer's PO, contained the address. If I go to the detail, I'm going to come in here and change the ship date here. That's all right. Let's go ahead and change the ship date here so it's a current date here. And I'm going to say it will be saved. Do you want to proceed? Yes. And notice up here that paperclip turned lime green, and also on the detail screen, because this is glass. And so I could click on this and say, well, what's attached to this particular line? Look, there's the DXF file right there. Okay. So that is how you do it through an importing from a different software. Now, there's another way you can do that that is also very easy if you do not have a shower building component, or if you are using CAD or something else that you just want to grab the DXF file and have it stick with this and be sent out to OptiWay. The way you do that is as you're putting in the order, I'm editing this line 1 right now, you come in here and click on the shape button. As you click on the shape button, you will see right here there is going to be a pattern field. Now on the newer versions of GlassTrax, there is a browse button right here, and you can click on here and it's going to find the place that you've told GlassTrax to save DXFs. So before you get this going, make sure that you're saving your DXFs in a spot that is pre-specified right here in feature 2763, and that is found down here, DXF network path. I'm going to go ahead and change that to where it actually is, and I'm going to go ahead and save, and I'm going to go ahead and come back in here now, and then I'm going to browse, and it should find it this time now that it's set correctly. So now that it pulls up, there's my DXFs folder, and sure enough, here's where they would be stored. You would grab the one you want, you hit open, and it gets pulled the name in right here. And as you export your batches to your cutting table, that DXF file piggybacks and rides along with the data that we send out, and it gets cut the way that you have specified in your CAD or DXF file. In older versions, we just require that you typed in the name of the file without the .dxf at the end. As long as it was found in that folder that you saw specified in feature 2763, it would send that along. But now we've added this browse option for you to make sure that you grab the right file. So that's how you send or export DXF files to your cutting table. If you do not have a shower building software that already integrates with us, please let us know who you are currently working with and who we can contact. We're happy to work with whoever to make sure that that becomes a seamless process for you.